In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently or how you can stick taskbar in its place. So if you're having a challenge where the taskbar suddenly disappears and appears when you hover around it, let me show you how you can show it permanently so that it doesn't disappear when you move the cursor away. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me if you'll find this video helpful. All you need to do is to hover over the taskbar area and then right click on any empty place or any empty space on the taskbar. Then choose the option called Taskbar Settings, and this will open up taskbar settings that we have on our computer. Now the reason why our taskbar suddenly disappears is because the automatic hide is turned on, which is this. Now to make our taskbar stick and permanently appear, go ahead and turn off these settings, and immediately you can see the taskbar has appeared. And if I go ahead, move the cursor away, the taskbar will stick and it will never disappear again. So that's how you stick the taskbar in its place permanently. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.